closed. What's closed? This bookshelf right here, it opened. It opened. Yes, you have to trust me. Okay, look. I tripped over Aunt Stella's boots like this.
Well, maybe you dreamt of it.
No, it's not happening now. Oh, how could I dream of such a thing? Maybe we should just start pulling out books or tapping on stuff. Okay, that's a good idea. Let's tap on some stuff. Yes. Here it is. Oh my god. Should we tell someone about this or?
Let's just go in. Don't tell anyone.
Yeah, I think Janice is right. Let's go.